Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Dipnotize Me, and I'm super excited to use this beautiful Winter Frost Duo, and it's completely stunning. It's a shimmer, and then you have this beautiful glitter here, and this one here, it's called Baby It's Cold Outside, and it's stunning. It has a mixture of silver holographic glitters and then pink and blue chunky glitters in there, and it's super stunning, and it pairs perfectly with this next one here called Winter Frost, and this is a beautiful like light blue, but it has a gray undertone to it, so it's that cooler gray blue, and it pairs perfectly with Baby It's Cold Outside, and it is the perfect wintry frost duo. And we are going to be creating a set of press-ons and doing the gel method. Now you can do this mani the same way you would as you would do your nails on your natural nails or over your jelly tips or builder gel. I'm just going to go ahead and do it on jelly tips today because I really like these colors and I want to be able to reuse this set down the road. So check out how pigmented it is with that first dip of Winter Frost. It's simply beautiful, and I really like that shimmer in there, and that first dip didn't come out patchy or streaky at all. Now when I'm going in with the gel, I'm making sure that I'm doing the thinnest application possible, and that would be the same would apply if you're using your dip liquids as well. This just helps, especially when you are doing the gel method, to make sure that you're getting a smooth, even coverage. And check it out, I really love this color. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. I know we're in the middle of the ombre right now, but I wanted to take a moment to talk about this beautiful glitter. It's simply beautiful. It has these really gorgeous chunky glitters in there mixed with that beautiful silver holographic glitter, and then it has these fun like confetti maroon pieces in there that lay really flat to the nail, and they're super thin, so they're not pointy or like sticking up from the nail. They're actually laying really flat. So you're going to get a nice even surface with those confetti pieces. And I overall really like the dimension in how the effect of this glitter is on a full coverage nail, which you will see here in action in just a moment. This glitter is just very unique, and the colors together are really pretty. This glitter would also look really good with like a bright, vibrant magenta. There's so many different combinations you can do with this glitter, and how unique it is. It's simply beautiful. All right, so let's dive back into this mani process, and then I really will pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how fun and wintry this mani is, and the Winter Frost Duo is perfect. I really like how these powders applied, and I'm completely obsessed with this glitter. Baby, it's cold outside. I really like that full glitter nail and then how it transitioned into that ombre. So Dipnotize Me Nails has tons of different colors. If these weren't your cup of tea, definitely check them out. They have really awesome fun duos. Cosmic Crush Duo is another really fun glitter, and then it has a really pretty thermal, so definitely check that out. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.